Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. 2014 Ford Escape. This is what this is, but this will probably work for other model years. From what I've seen, 2013, 2014 Ford Escape. Marker bulb replacement, fog light replacement, right turn signal bulb replacement. These babies in here, not that fun. If you want to fight it, you can fight around the wheel, turning it left or right. I just took the wheel off. So that's the way I'm going. I can show things easier and as well. There's two push pins up here, like that, friction fit in the hole. Just gives you a little more freedom to move this whole thing around. Might not have to. It all depends how much fighting you want to do with this here. Show some light. We got 7mm bolts here, 7mm bolts here, one here, a couple down below. 7mm bolts, 7mm. Two friction fits. There's two bolts from down below, a 19mm. Lug nuts. Everything's left to loosen, counterclockwise, right to tighten, clockwise. Break them loose while the vehicle's on the ground. Go ahead and jack it up if you want. Pinch weld. Decent metal down here. It's just a little bit easier. Sorry about my hand there. Once the tire's out of the way, to just work in here. I ended up using two hands to get to the connector in here, so I'm going to raise this up, make it a little easier for me to videotape and show you what's going on. Alright, bolt here. Two bolts here, 7mm again. And there's where they go. You can see I've got this pulled out of there. It's still nice and new and fresh and flexible. And you can see that helps a little bit. Things just moving out of the way. Then this will just unplug. This is the fog lamp if you're doing that. So I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to pull this bulb out with the other. It's a little tricky, so that's why I like the tire off, because I got a lot of arm room right now, and I could actually get two hands in here, which I did do to get the bulb out. It is just a friction fit bulb. There's the tab you can push to release if you want to get it out, or if the socket's bad and you need to replace it. I just felt it was so much easier with two hands with the wheel out of the way, and I can kind of get two arms in there. You can see back there, there's a third bulb. I confess I'm not going to reach back there and get it. It's pretty far back there. Looks like you got a 10mm bolt. 10mm bolt for the washer jug. And up here too, there's a bolt, 10mm, so maybe you move the washer jug out of the way a little bit. And then you'd be able to get to that third bulb back there. But it's pretty much the same as the marker bulb, which was the parking bulb, which is the middle one. So, and we'll show you how we just put this back together, and then you can take it apart the way it gets put back together. Reverse procedure to install is what they always say in the books, or often. Car was in a little bit of an accident, so didn't quite line up. Friction fit. You just get back behind here with a screwdriver or just pull it with your hands. Should be able to pull it out. There it is, and we'll put the wheel on. 100 foot-pounds for torque. So you can turn your steering wheel again left or right, get the tire out of the way to get to these bolts. So, but it's just easier. You got a Saturday to do it, just go ahead and take the tire off. 100 foot-pounds, we'll torque those down. And that's replacing most of these bulbs over here, turn signal or parking light, fog lamp bulb, 2014 and other model years Ford Escape.